In the previous lecture, I have explained you the power of social media marketing. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you specially about Facebook marketing, especially the benefits of Facebook marketing. So, we already knew what is Facebook, how it works and how it gonna help you in reaching you worldwide, etc. things. I don't want to waste your precious time in teaching the known things. So let me explain you on how Facebook is going to benefit you in product marketing. Facebook can make you popular in just a fraction of a second within just few clicks. So let me explain you on how Facebook is going to help you to drive traffic to your website or blog or to increase your sales. Facebook can make you popular in just a fraction of a second within just few clicks. Therefore, I have filtered few among them and sorted out based on the priority with my experience. Number 1 is access to Facebook Insights. Relax, don't get confused, I'll explain. Facebook Insights are simply a metric and analytics about your Facebook page on the count of how actively you are interacting with your fans. It's just a tool to monitor performance of your Facebook page. So how do they benefit is the next question you have in your mind, right? Let me tell you. If you have good performance and highest count of visitors in your Facebook Insights measure, obviously you're going to get lot of visitors. That is how you can bring leads and make sale of your product via Facebook account. With the software that I'm providing with the course, you can easily improve the Facebook Insights. Number 2 is facility to run contests. Now, as we already know, most of the people have a regular habit of Facebooking in their daily life. So we can understand that they have the ability to grab people's attention in just few clicks. Facebook has evolved as a trendy platform over the years, and as an administrator, it allows you to conduct contests. So here I would like to tell you on how my software and system is going to help you in bringing tons of sales to your product using Facebook marketing. Number 3 is Facebook ads and offers. Facebook is even capable of grabbing the attention of highly potential customers all around the world whenever you want to boost sales for your product. Basically, as a product marketer, you can do 3 things with Facebook. Number 1, reach new people. With Facebook, you can reach your current customers and also it will help you to reach new customers. It's kind of advertising or promoting your product to the market, which is kind of amazing, right? You will not lose any sales with Facebook if you follow my system exactly. Number 2, boost sales. As I have mentioned previously, you can also share offers with people to encourage them to visit your business in person or online. Number 3, send automatic reminders. And the final advantage with my software and system is you can claim offers when the deal is about to expire to your customers. Now I believe you would have understood how powerful Facebook social media is, and that is what my software is going to do. It will automatically promote your product or website in Facebook very easily in just a few clicks.